Oh
So hey everybody, it's me Anna today, and I will go to Michael's and hunting squishy because like really long time I don't hunting squishy. Turn the light off. I'm back. Okay, so like, oh yeah, they have these at Target at dollar section.
Especially when like you honestly like everything's like up and you can still read on budget. Okay, good. Oh my gosh. Look at these are done. Oh, these are pretty soft. Most of them are done. How about this one? I think it's soft. So this is it. Nope. I'm going to size it down. Oh, this is pretty soft. Oh my gosh, did you hurt that? That was really loud. I hope I get my hand because this is squishy. Oh no, you don't see it? None of these are actual good ones, but these are like a lot of time. Okay, these cupcakes are a lot. Like an actual lot. Holy moly. These are so soft. Okay, I have to see that. Oh my gosh, guys, look at these. These are the ones you can decorate it. These are easy, and they have these too. They have these here. Like this one, really soft. And these each one. These are so cute. Like, I love them. It's called, and look at it. OMG. I don't know. The ice cream is amazing. You also have these here. And these. And the tacos. Oh my gosh. These are amazing. These are.
So now we're gonna head to Walmart Cheapers.
OMG, look at these bath bombs. These are gorgeous. Holy moly. Daddy, look. These are cute too. These are metallic. Oh my god.
And she said, oh sorry, it is where at the contact solution with me, love me. Okay, I got lost with my dad, there it is. Oh my gosh, okay, no, I never take it again. The inside one always the best one. Okay, I got lost by my dad. Hey, where are you? I'm running through the Walmart, find my dad, I got him now. And my phone about today, it's about 1%. So, I'm not able to vlog, but I will show you what I got after I got home. Actually, after I'm charging my phone, so.
Cups say back hoe. Back hoe. Like, see? Hoe. Get it?
Okay. Oh no, the effect of the freaking lighting. Everybody, it's me Anna, and I come back from the whole day hunting for squishy. I'm mostly spending my time at Walmart and Michael's. I didn't go anyone where like I do go to eat before I go to Michael's, but I wouldn't vlog. I go bought milk tea. I do vlog that part. I go pick my grandma up. I was in vlog too. And my phone was dead at Walmart, and I have like literally, because when I got back to the car, I actually charged it. I got like 3% left, and I'm on nothing. So what I got from Walmart.
Me and Tanner, Molly Parley, I only love my bed and my mama, I'm sorry. If you wanted to, these expensive, these are rare, but if these bloody shits hit the score, I can get them both. I wanted to, look, quick, don't get comfortable, look, I'm dancing, running, move. Okay, I'm done.
I have this Crystal EOS. This soft and slow surprise, so I'm opening it.
I'ma explain where you probably never see me. I push a Lamborghini, switch a magic like Houdini. My body shit like genie, booty raising when it's teeny. Yes, I told him to get tired, so he treat me when he leave me. His heart in the piggy, leave me loop.
Struggle! I got it out the packaging and like the wrapping thing. I will take it out now. Oh my gosh, this is so cute! Oh wow! Actually, not airy at all.
Shit was legendary.
Actually, I have this soft and so custom cutie. It's like considered all of them, and this is like the softest. white on top. Like the muscle rising. I pretty like it too. This one, which is like bunny and bear, and my dad like, why not?
Candy cane with a white on top. Lambo door with a wood up top. $100,000 on my tabletop.
I saw it, but then I don't know how to use it now. Off of my video, like the video, give me one like and subscribe to. Bye.
With a white on top. Lambo door with a wood up top.